Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a mixed melon salad with ricotta salata, chili, and lime with our friends at Shun Cutlery, and I'm super excited because this is a summertime classic. It's super easy and you're going to be the life of the party. Alright, so to get started, I'm going to break down these melons, and the way that I like to do that is by taking off both of the ends so that there's a flat cut side that I can put the watermelon on, so this way while I'm cutting it, it's not like rolling around and it's safer this way. Okay, so now I'm gonna grab my Shun 8-inch Premier Chef knife and get started. If you wanna save the watermelon rind, you could pickle it or you could just compost it. Now I'll do the other. From here, I'm just gonna carve out the outside rind and we'll be good to go. I'm not gonna lie, this is a very satisfying fruit to prep. I am really enjoying myself right now. Ta-da. You can really cut this melon however you want for your salad. If you want to do cubes, slices, wedges, it's really whatever you're feeling. Still gonna be delicious. Just gonna cut it this way. If you want to keep them smaller for your salad, you totally can. I kind of like the mixed shapes and sizes, but it's up to you. All right, now we're gonna break down the cantaloupe the same way that we did the watermelon. 2 flat sides. The rind on the cantaloupe is a little bit thinner, so you don't have to peel off as much. Ta-da! All right, last but certainly not least, we're gonna break down the honeydew. Now it's time for the red hot chili peppers. Okay. All right, now I'm going to slice up this chili pepper. I'm gonna switch to a 6.5-inch knife because it's a little bit smaller, so it gives me more control over what I'm cutting. Now we're gonna chiffonade some mint. So what I have is just a couple leaves here. I'm going to roll them up and then slice them up. You could really do any fresh herbs that you like in the salad. I think basil would be really good too. Now we're gonna prep the ricotta salata. I'm just gonna use a paring knife to sort of just break it up into little wedges so that I can crumble it by hand. Ricotta salata is a salty, crumbly, delicious cheese, but if you don't have it or you can't find it, you could totally sub feta. All right, the last thing to do before we eat this salad is hit it with some lime. Whoa, 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 buddy. We're gonna add some extra virgin olive oil, and then we're gonna season this with some tahini. Tahini is a chili lime seasoning. It's so great with watermelon. It's like the perfect balance of sweet and savory. Yum, it smells so good. Okay, the only thing left to do is eat this delicious summer salad. That chili lime seasoning is everything, and with all the fresh melon, it's so good. Like, it's light, refreshing, and it was so easy to make. Yum. We want to see your knife skills. Tag the Feedfeed and Shun Cutlery and use these hashtags, and every month we'll select a random winner to win a Shun Cutlery knife.